Today is a day of sunshine and showers, then turning wet and windy from the west, and the outlook turns colder for all of us. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Monday, 9th of September.
We're going to get smashed by the rain, the thunder, the lightning.
Messages saying, oh my goodness, these... And I was just thinking, I'm not there, I wish I had them. But yeah, torrential thunderstorms all weekend long. But now the big story is it's set to turn a lot colder. Here's the details. Yes, a very different weather setup as we head through the next few days. Over the weekend and last week, we had warm air, humidity coming up from the near continent that drove power to these thunderstorms. But this week, the jet stream slips southwards. Cold air floods in and temperatures will tumble. We'll be below average, so temperatures will be mid-teens at best. So yes, a weather front is moving its way across Austria at the moment. This is where Andy is in Salzburg. Here is the cloud with rain in it that is heading its way eastwards, just to be replaced by yet more rain for him where he is tomorrow. But for us in the UK, we had the stormy conditions over the weekend. They've now cleared away and fresher air is set to move in as we head through the next... Yesterday we got to 23, but how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, let's take a look at our outlook where it is always in view for our weekend. And at the moment, temperature-wise across the north of the UK, you can see this is our average line, and it's below average for the rest of the week. Average at best, percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. Rain symbols pretty much every day. We have our heavy rain arriving today into tomorrow, and this wet weather lasts all week long. Fortunes further south of England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Well, last week, yes, it was wet, but at least it was relatively mild. This week, our temperatures start average and dip below for the middle of the week. Percentage chance of rainfall, we have bands of rain and showers for the next few days, but hints at the moment that the weekend and the weekend look drier and brighter, but certainly not warm in the outlook. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. This weekend, there was humid air around. We had torrential thunderstorms for some areas. That heat and humidity is being pushed away from the jet stream that slips south, brings with it rain, and then the blue moves in. Colder air. It will turn a lot colder for all of us this week. Temperatures will be below average for the first time in a long... Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Now, the weather for the next few days will turn a lot cooler for many of us. But for today, cloudy skies, damp conditions for many. And yes, it brightens up before we see a band of rain moving in. So a lot happening today. At the moment, it is cloudy, dull, damp and drizzly through eastern areas. Outbreaks of rain, some scattered showers. Western areas, brightest conditions, but a chilly start to the day as well. So as we head through the day, central and eastern England, the patchy rain will ease. The skies will brighten, so from grey skies to white, cloudy skies. Best of any sunshine for Wales, southwest England, northern England, southern Scotland. For the rest of Scotland and Northern Ireland, it clouds over through the day with outbreaks of rain and not as warm as it was yesterday. 14 to 16 in the north, 19, maybe just 20 degrees in the south. This evening and overnight tonight, we start to see a band of rain moving in. This is a cold front, and behind it, colder air moves in. So it slips southwards tomorrow. Outbreaks of rain in the south, gusty winds around as well. The last of that warmth being pushed away. Colder air and blustery showers in the north, wintry across the mountains.